Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable EV billing via CCS Plug and Charge with EA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, ensure your electric vehicle is compatible with CCS Plug and Charge. Next, locate a charging station that supports CCS Plug and Charge. Before you proceed, make sure you have registered for EV billing with the charging network. Open the charging app on your mobile device. Log in using your account credentials. If prompted, update the app to the latest version for optimal performance. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section of the app. Look for an option labeled Plug and Charge or EV Billing. Enable the Plug and Charge feature if it is not already activated. Connect your electric vehicle to the CCS charging cable at the station. Upon connection, the vehicle and charging station will communicate automatically. Wait for the authentication process to complete, which may take a few moments. After authentication, the charging session will start automatically. Monitor the charging progress through the app, if desired. Once charging is complete, disconnect the CCS cable from your vehicle. Make sure to follow any safety guidelines when disconnecting the cable. Check your app for a summary of the charging session and cost incurred. If everything appears correct, you are all set. That's it, you've successfully enabled EV billing via CCS Plug and Charge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.